There's now just 9 weeks to go until the cruise ship Meraviglia sets sail on her maiden voyage. But before they complete the fit-out, the ship needs to leave its berth for a crucial series of tests.
Very exciting, yes. It will be 3 days without sleeping for sure.
390 engineers, mechanics and crew are boarding the ship to take it out into the open ocean for the very first time.
Let's go on board.
Over the next 3 days and nights, they will put all its systems through a succession of grueling tests, called sea trials, to prove that the ship is safe to carry over 5,000 passengers. This is the moment that everybody has been working towards. It's make or break for Gaetano's team.
Meraviglia is a prototype ship, so the sea trial is the only moment where we can assess the performance of the ship. Of course, if we don't pass the sea trial, we cannot embark any passenger, we cannot deliver the ship, so we have to pass the sea trial.
The man Meraviglia must impress is lead inspector Jean-Luc Conneur.
It's the biggest ship I ever done on sea trial, sure. Là, j'ai tous les paramètres, si tu veux, des pods. The ship have to pass 100% of the test before they are able to taking passengers on board.
The team push the vessel to its very limit over the next 72 hours. They test its fire safety equipment. They assess how easily emergency crews can reach a helicopter and how quickly the anchor deploys. One of the most critical tests involves Luik's propeller. It must create no noise or vibration that could ruin the passenger's cruise.
We perform the test all over the ships, in all compartments and all decks, during the endurance test of the ships, because this is the most severe condition of the ship for vibration and noise.
While the ship sails at full speed, the team work their way from deck to deck, listening for excessive levels. Finally, they test the giant azipods that both propel and steer the vessel.
This is one of the most important equipment on board. We need 100% perfect to perform 110% of the power.
The crew will push the giant pods beyond their limits before undertaking a critical crash stop test.
So gentlemen, we are going to do crash stop test.
A crash stop involves using the azipods to bring the ship to a complete halt from a speed of 21 knots as quickly as possible.
The test will be done by rotating the azipod propeller outward first 45 degrees.
Okay, so we started by taking it to maneuver right now. Okay, crash stop!
This maneuver could be crucial in an emergency such as avoiding a collision.
Ship speed less than 19, 18, 17, 16, less than 15.
They spin the azipods into full reverse.
10 knots.
And the azipods are now in 180 degrees. Stop.
The mammoth vessel grinds to a halt in 4 minutes 49 seconds. But was it quick enough? After a tense few days and around 60 tests, the new prototype ship and her crew return to the shipyard. It's time for Jean-Luc to deliver his verdict.
This sea trial has been successful, really. And now the ship is ready to embark passengers, its first guests.
It's a huge relief for Gaetano.
The important test has been carried out and with the successful results, now we have to just finalize all the remaining job.